back with you once more to share with you one of my quirky little recipes. This is a very easy recipe, and as you see, it's with the plantain. And as we say plantain, it's the plantain. And I'm gonna do a nice baked plantain with brown sugar and cinnamon. And you'll love it. Nice for serving as a side at dinner if you like a little something sweet, or as dessert with ice cream. What I should tell you when you're getting your plantain, try and get it all yellow with no marks and blemish on it. Not green. This plantain must be ripe but not soft. And that's what's good for this little recipe. Okay?
So that one has blemishes on it.
Yes, but I didn't buy it this way. But it was sitting down for a day or two, and that's what happened when you keep it. But it's still firm, as long as it's firm. No softness. I'm going to slice it, and I like to do it on the diagonal. Whatever works. This is the way I'm doing it. So I have it in the bowl, and I'm going to add, I'm using vegetable oil, but you can use melted margarine or melted butter. So I'm going to pour that over here. I've got brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. I'm going to add this to the plantain. I've got my baking sheet already. I've lined it with some foil, which I grease. I'm going to turn this out and there. Now I'm going to put it in the oven. And all the direction for the oven temperature and everything like that is on the website. Okay? Well, now it's time to take the plantain. My bacon. This plantain bakes very fast, especially it depends on how ripe the plantain is. So this took me about 15 minutes in the oven because they were ripe to a certain degree. But any other information you want, check the website, cooklikeajamaican.com. And we are going to devour these this evening. Right, Angela?
Yep.
Okay. Most of these cooks on TV, they always have a plate of their food that they cook. But try this. They have a plate and they do a serving and they try. Have you noticed that?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Bye-bye. Just press the button below and subscribe, and you'll get more of our delicious recipes. So do that, and you'll be happy like I'm happy at the moment cooking for you all. Bye for now.